This is a used 2013 Ford F-150, powered by rear-wheel drive, a 5-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 35,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. The features include leather seats, heated seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, remote start, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, a navigation system, an alarm system, split rear seats, power windows, power mirrors. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, curtain head airbags, side airbags, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Jim Skinner Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 9924 Parkway East, Birmingham, Alabama 35215.